Welcome to Investoro. When it comes to crypto investing, many people immediately think of Bitcoin and Ethereum, and for good reason, they're the giants of the space. But if you're serious about building wealth in the long term, altcoins can provide some of the best opportunities. The key is separating hype from real utility, and finding projects that are not only surviving but thriving as blockchain adoption expands. In this video, we'll go over some of the best altcoins to consider for long-term investment in 2025 and beyond. The first altcoin on the list is Ethereum. While it may not feel like an altcoin anymore, since it's the second largest cryptocurrency, it still technically falls under that category. Ethereum is the backbone of decentralized finance, NFTs, gaming, and Web3 applications. With the transition to Ethereum 2.0 and proof of stake, the network has drastically reduced energy consumption and created new opportunities for staking rewards. Ethereum's ecosystem is unmatched, and as more developers continue to build on its network, it remains one of the safest long-term bets. The second is Solana. Solana has been through its ups and downs, but it has proven its resilience. It's known for extremely fast transactions and very low fees. Solana is a top choice for developers building decentralized applications, and for users who want scalability without paying huge gas fees. Its ecosystem is thriving, with NFTs, DeFi, and even gaming projects choosing Solana because of its efficiency. Institutions and venture capital are once again showing strong support for Solana. And as adoption grows, this coin could deliver massive gains over the next few years. Another strong contender for long-term investment is Cardano. Cardano has always taken a scientific and academic approach to blockchain development, which sometimes frustrates investors who want quick results. But its methodical strategy ensures sustainability, security, and scalability. Cardano is pushing hard into real-world use cases, especially in developing nations where blockchain can transform identity, banking, and supply chains. Its smart contract capabilities are expanding, and as adoption grows, Cardano's ecosystem could become one of the most valuable in the space. Next up is Chainlink. Chainlink is unique because it's not just a blockchain. It's an oracle network that connects smart contracts to real-world data. Without Chainlink, many DeFi applications couldn't function. It provides reliable price feeds, weather data, and other off-chain information that's critical for decentralized apps. As blockchain technology expands into industries like insurance, gaming, and supply chain logistics, Chainlink's role will only grow more vital. This makes it one of the most practical and necessary long-term investments in crypto. Polygon, also known as Matic, deserves a place on this list as well. Polygon is built to scale Ethereum, providing faster and cheaper transactions while still connecting back to Ethereum's mainnet. It has attracted partnerships with massive companies like Meta, Disney, and Starbucks, which shows how seriously big brands are taking its potential. With Ethereum upgrades still leaving room for scalability solutions, Polygon is well positioned to thrive. Its utility, combined with strong developer adoption, makes it a solid long-term pick. Another promising altcoin is Avalanche. Avalanche focuses on high-speed smart contracts and interoperability, allowing developers to create customizable blockchains called subnets. This flexibility has made it appealing for enterprises and institutions that want blockchain solutions tailored to their needs. Avalanche has gained traction in DeFi and gaming, and its focus on scalability gives it an edge over some competitors. As more projects migrate or launch on Avalanche, the long-term upside is strong. Polkadot also stands out as a long-term investment. It's founded by one of Ethereum's co-founders. Polkadot's main vision is interoperability, connecting multiple blockchains into a single network where they can communicate seamlessly. This is often called the Internet of Blockchains, and Polkadot is leading the charge. As the blockchain industry matures, interoperability will become more important than ever, making Polkadot's technology essential to the ecosystem. For those looking at the DeFi space specifically, Uniswap is worth considering. As the leading decentralized exchange, Uniswap has proven itself as the backbone of token swaps and liquidity pools. With millions of users and billions in trading volume, Uniswap continues to dominate decentralized trading. Its governance token, Uni, allows holders to influence the direction of the platform. And as DeFi adoption continues to grow, Uniswap's importance will remain strong. Another coin worth paying attention to is Arbitrum. As a layer-to-scaling solution for Ethereum, Arbitrum helps improve speed and reduce costs. which is critical for Ethereum's future growth. It has quickly become one of the most popular platforms for DeFi projects and decentralized apps. And its ecosystem is growing rapidly. Ethereum continues to dominate. Scaling solutions like Arbitrum will thrive right alongside it. Cosmos also deserves recognition, known as the Internet of Blockchains. Cosmos focuses on creating a network where different blockchains can communicate and transfer assets seamlessly. It's similar to Polkadot in its interoperability vision, but uses a different approach. Cosmos has already seen significant adoption, and its TOM token plays a key role in securing and governing the network. With interoperability being one of blockchain's biggest challenges, Cosmos is positioned for long-term relevance. It's also important to highlight stable infrastructure coins like Litecoin. While it's not as flashy as newer projects, Litecoin has been around for over a decade, proving its reliability. It's often referred to as the silver to Bitcoin's gold. Litecoin continues to be used for fast and low-cost transactions. Its longevity and continuous upgrades make it a coin that will likely remain relevant, especially as payments in crypto become more mainstream. Finally, a newer but rapidly growing altcoin to consider is Aptos. Built by former Meta engineers, Aptos is designed to be extremely scalable and user-friendly. It's positioning itself as a blockchain for mass adoption, and its ecosystem is growing quickly. While it's still early, the team's background and the technology behind it have caught the attention of major investors. The most important thing to remember when investing in altcoins is diversification. No one coin will guarantee success, and the crypto market is notoriously volatile. The best strategy is to spread your investments across projects that have real-world utility, strong development teams, and active communities. Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, Chainlink, Polygon, Avalanche, Polkadot, Uniswap, Arbitrum, Cosmos, Litecoin, and Aptos are all examples of altcoins with long-term potential. Some of these may deliver higher returns than others. They all share one thing in common: they're working to solve real problems in the blockchain space. Whether it's scalability, interoperability, or decentralization, these projects are building the infrastructure that the future of crypto will rely on. Investors who take a long-term approach, stay patient, avoid chasing hype, are the ones most likely to see their portfolios grow. Subscribe to invest